Hi everyone, I am Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So without any delay, let's get started today's session. So today's topic is how to improve your English without a speaking partner. I think this problem is happen with everyone because no one is always available with us like our friends or any family member. They have many work and they are not available every times. So how to practice your is speaking part English and without partner. So just I'm going to talk on this topic. If no one is with you for practicing English, then it is not a big problem. You can easily speak English without a partner. Yes, guys, you can speak. Just try to take help of your mirror. Just try to take help of your copies and in front of mirror try to give 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes. It's depend on you how much time available for your practice session is depend on you. If you have more time, then give more times, then you found more improvement in your English. Okay, it's generally depend on you, but just keep one things in your mind. You will have to practice English on daily basis. If you are not practicing on daily basis, then you cannot improve your spoken part. Okay, so just you are uh, in front of mirror and like mirror is your friend. Okay, and you are talking with your mirror. Like you can put question in front of mirror and try to answer those questions. Like, how are you today? This question asked from your mirror. Then try to answer. Okay, yeah, and I keep on this one thing in your mind. uh, when you answer the question, just uh, it's imagine that mirror is your friend and you answer the question of your friend. Okay, friend's part. Like feel like your friend is answering those questions. Then suppose that you are asking how are you today. Then answer like, I'm good today, I'm bad today, this thing is happened with me today, that's why I'm not good today. Like this you can answer. By this you can practice in front of mirror. Okay, and uh, after doing this thing, just at that time I know you forget many things, so it is not a big problem. Just try to write down your mistake. Okay, if you are writing down your mistake, then it's very helpful for improving yourself. Okay, and you can also take help of your phone. uh, Try to sit down in front of your phone and try to speak. And you can record a video or you can record your voice and try to listen your voice or try to watch your video and try to find out your mistake and try to write down your mistakes. Or if you have no one with you, then this thing is very helpful for you. And when you write down your mistake, that time this thing is you realizing that yes, I'm doing mistake here. Now I promised to myself I'm not doing this mistake, I will not do this mistake again. Okay, this thing is very important to promise yourself. Like, I will not do this doing same mistake again. Okay, so keep doing this thing, and I hope this video is helpful for you. Bye bye everyone, I will meet you in next video.